guys, it is now Friday. Right now it is currently 9 o'clock and I have an appointment to get my hair done at 10. This girl's hair is orange again. Como les había dicho en los vlogs pasados, bueno, cuando me vine a hacer mi cabello aquí en México, el color que me habían puesto, like, originally is still under this color, so of course the orange is gonna come back. So I'm gonna go get a treatment para que se vea un poquito más café, because this is way too light for me. I don't like it at all. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Y pues nada, ahorita los breakfast before hair appointment. I got some chilaquiles verdes with pollito and huevito. Vean con quién estoy. Vengan a su tienda que está, miren, así se ve. Fashion Kiss Me. Siempre ven en mi Instagram y en mi Face. Vean todo lo que tienen. I love. So cute. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Vean esto. Vengan a hacer sus compritas, de verdad que tienen ropa de buena calidad y está hermosísimo todo. So cute. What's up, you guys? Okay, so all they're doing is that they're putting on a treatment to make my hair more brown. So this orange is gonna go away, and then obviamente as I wash my hair, it's going to be less brown, but obviously it's not gonna be as orange. So ahorita vemos cómo salgo. Some calvito. What's up, you guys? So it is much later now and your girl fell asleep. I took a nap. I was very, very tired. You know, me cayó de peso la comida. As you saw, I had some caldito de res. And yeah, I'm just chilling in my room now. I'm obsessed with my hair. I didn't really explain to you what I got done. Hold on, I look very short. Hey, wait. So basically what I got done was the exact same treatment that I got done the second time they actually fixed my hair. It's no dye. I don't even know what it is. They left me in, like, they were washing my hair and they just let it sit. I don't know. I didn't even ask. But it's not orange anymore and I'm so freaking happy. Of course, it is gonna lighten up as, you know, I wash my hair. But I do have my cream, which I leave on like an hour to 2 hours sometimes to help the color stay more intact longer. But as time goes by, my hair is gonna get less orange and more brown. Much later now when I got a little gordita. Good morning, you guys. It is the next morning and I'm currently making breakfast. Voy a hacer huevito con verdura. Y acá estoy marinando una carne for my dad. So we're having for breakfast this morning.
Compré los colores vegetales que tú usabas.
Chingones que vinieron y hicieron aquí haciendas.
As you guys saw, I ate at home, so I just got a crate. Sandita's eating a pozole. Carnitas.
This bratty.
What's up, you guys? I'm at my bestie's birthday party. Ya no les alcanza a grabar. Something like. I got her these. Well, I got them these flowers, a botellita, and some chocolates. So cute. Ay, vean. Ahorita falta lo que. Vean esto, oigan. Esto se va a salir de control. So I had to get my water.
because your growing trying to get too messed up. Good night. Salud.
Sola, sola.
Other birthday girl. Second shot with the second birthday girl.
Fácil, pero sabes que quiero más, más. Yo soy tu VIP, tu parte, porque tú a mí haces feliz. Me queda presumir, ay de ti, qué bonito verte sonreír. Yo soy tu VIP, papi yo te parte, que tú me haces feliz. Me encanta presumirte.
¿Cómo te la estás pasando, bebé?
Muy bien, amiga.
¿Andas chido o todavía no? ¡Salud!
Y que mi voz lo interprete. Yeah, yeah, yeah. VIP para ti, baby, ¿quién lo diría? Todo lo que yo hago por ti, orgullosa diciendo tú eres mía. Tú lo sabes, baby, baby, yeah.
Espero y les haya gustado este vlog. Esta es la segunda parte que viene siendo la última parte, pero no se preocupen que nos regresamos a México en un mes, bueno, en menos de un mes, así que suscríbanse a mi canal si aún no lo hacen para que no se pierdan más contenido. Yo sé que les encantan mis vlogs de México y pues obvio a mí me encanta grabarles en México, así que suscríbanse. Muchas gracias por todo su apoyo, de verdad se los agradezco como no se imaginan. Háganle like, comenten, suscriban y compartan. Los veo para la próxima.